Hello everyone and hello friend. Good afternoon. And now the sun is hot now, guys. Always. And I just take bath and I'm prayer zuhur and I have lunch, guys. And I'm lunch in shop Inatuan, kitchen Inatuan. And now I wanna make the vlog, and after make the vlog I wanna sleep because now nothing study in campus because my lecturer is sick, and lecture excuse to all my friend, she don't come to campus because sick. And now I'm in room my friend Aji and Pathul and Sophie, and now I want to sleep in here. And this room is small, not big, and the room made from board and other. And in here the fun, guys. And now this is my friend Fathul. And now after I sleep I wanna write a segment phonetic and phonology. And in night I wanna make the PowerPoint, and I wanna study for presentation in tomorrow. And I hope all of you just a segment from lecture Mr. Bayu Islam Asasaki. And I'm with my friend Aryazid Al Bustami, but he sleep now. And now I don't speak to all of you, and my hair is because I'm I just take a bath. And now the time is 1 p.m. and the sun is hot, and I don't sleep because the sun is hot, guys. But now in here in the fun. And now I wanna sleep in here, and in the room nothing fun, and in room hot, guys. I don't sleep in here, in there. You know this is, guys, you know this is spot. This is for you smoke, guys. If you want, you can buy in shop pep store, guys. And I hope all of you as well, because now the sun is hot, and all of you don't sick, guys, don't sick. Oh. Oh, this is my friend, Mr. Fathul Bari. He stay in here. Ong, perfume guys, perfume. Roll on. This is perfume, but nothing guys. This is bottle perfume, but nothing perfume in bottle. And now I'm in under the fan. And now I'm sleep until prayer asar, and after prayer asar I wanna write segment phonetic and phonology. You know guys, phonetic and phonology. Phonetic and phonology is blah blah blah. You if you want study, you study in Senandoi guys. And Mr. Fathul has the prayer Zuhur. Zuhur.
Oh, bayangin. Betul dompet kok.
Tuh kan atas meja nih udah besar. Tanggung jawab aja deh besar. Enggak ada buku bahasa Inggris kan. Baru tahu.
You have double folio Ong.
Dulu ano ka?
Biasa. Arangnya Sat.
Hah?
Arang.
Ano daw?
Hindi yang kurang isi nih Sat.
Taon. Dulu lang ugang masih ugang. Dulu orang kartu-kartu sekarang na. Pati siapa juga turun ngajari. Apa ngurus-ngurus macam lah.
Yes, my casing, my phone, and my phone type Infinix Zero 34G, and I buy with price 3 million. Yes sir.
Loh.
And I have money 1,000 rupiah, and this is picture Patimura guys. And I buy my phone in when I sit in class 3 senior high school guys, and my phone until now it's okay and worth it for your buy, but now nothing guys, because this is very old and now done production, but now new series from Infinix, and my phone type 030 4G from brand Infinix, guys. And maybe I wanna change my phone with from brand Oppo or Vivo and
Yes, I
Samsung.
know. Brand Oppo and Infinix you not good.
Yes. Yes, not good. Brand Infinix not good, guys, because down performance.
You crazy speak apa
Or make
sendiri?
your vlog, guys.
Sendiri apa sendiri?
Alone, single.
Single, single, single talking. Apa nama?
And now I wanna sleep back, guys. Yes, I'm sleepy, and I'm sleep in here. And this room small and made from board, not not cement, guys. This is board, triplek board, triplek. You know triplek, guys? Triplek. This is triplek. Wait, you. This is my friend Ali Azid Al Bustami. He won prayer Zuhur because he woke up in 1 p.m. Yes, 1 p.m. guys. Yes, tomorrow presentation in phonetic and phonology. Have you material? Have you material? No. Alright. And if all of you watching my video, you don't forget for subscribe and like my channel, and don't forget share to all your friend, guys. I hope all of you join and subscribe my channel, and I hope all of you join in Sunandwe campus, Sunandwe Institute. Okay, now my vlog finish in 15 minutes, and so now I wanna and now I speak thank you to all of you, because all of you watching my video. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.